Welcome to Session 3. This session is designed to introduce you to the multi-stakeholder cooperative model. What it is, the different stakeholders within BWP Co-op, and choosing your stakeholder role or group within BWP Co-op. Start your video by greeting your audience and introducing your topic. Create a clear title and give more context with a subheadline. Stakeholders refer to individuals, groups, organizations, or entities with a vested interest or involvement in the cooperative's activities, decision-making processes, and outcomes. These two stakeholder groups, service providers and workers, play distinct but interconnected roles within the multi-stakeholder cooperative. Service providers contribute resources and services that enable the cooperative to function effectively, while workers provide the labor necessary for its day-to-day operations. Balancing the interests and needs of both groups is crucial for the cooperative's overall well-being and sustainability. Effective communication, collaboration, and decision-making mechanisms are typically put in place to ensure that the interests of both service providers and workers are considered and addressed within the cooperative's governance structure. Let's take a look at the other stakeholders involved in a cooperative. First, we have members. These are individuals or organizations who actively participate in the cooperative, whether as producers, workers, or consumers of its goods and services. Members usually have voting rights and play a direct role in the cooperative's success. Next, we have customers or users. Their satisfaction is vital. Whether they're buying products or using services, their feedback and needs often influence the cooperative's decision-making. Then there are the suppliers. They provide the goods or services needed for the cooperative to operate. Their stake lies in securing fair contracts, stable pricing, and a reliable business relationship. Investors also play a role. They provide capital to help the cooperative grow and sustain operations, and in return, they have a financial interest in its profitability. Another important stakeholder is the community. The cooperative doesn't operate in isolation. It impacts the local economy, the environment, and even social dynamics. That makes the community an indirect but essential stakeholder. We also have government and regulators. They ensure the cooperative complies with laws and regulations, and their policies can shape how the cooperative operates. Non-governmental organizations or NGOs and advocacy groups may also be stakeholders. They can support, provide expertise, and advocate for cooperatives, especially in areas related to social causes or specific industries. In the case of worker cooperatives, trade unions are key stakeholders. They represent the workers, help safeguard fair labor practices, and collaborate with the cooperative on workers' rights. And finally, we have financial institutions like banks and credit unions that provide loans, credit, and other financial services. Their stake lies in ensuring the cooperative's financial health and long-term sustainability. Together, these stakeholders create a network of relationships that influence and support the cooperative's mission, growth, and overall impact.